Introducing folkart's Glitterific Pastels. So I was asked by Plaid, I'm a Plaid ambassador, to showcase the Glitterific pastels that they are introducing. And the shades are purple, coral, blue, yellow, mint, and pink. Raise your hand if you love glitter paints. I love a little glam every now and then. Not too crazy about too much glitter, but I was so excited to try these out, and you will see how I use them further on into the video. To order these from Plaid, use my promo code Christine124 for 15% off your entire purchase from the website, and that code will also be in the description box below. Well, hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome to you as well. This is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. This video is a part of What Would You Make for March, more on that in the video. So for DIY number 1, I'll be using the pastel paint. They're not actually paint, they're like acrylic paint it says, but you do need a base coat. So these are the paints that I will be using for my base coat. I've already separated them, and I'm taking this 20 by 16 canvas. I got 3 of these from Ollie's for $9.99. Can't beat that. And here is my wood for this one. It does have some element of wood. So I'll be doing a abstract artwork. Yes, got it. So I took some masking tape and I'm just taping off my design, and your design can be anything that you think that you would like to see. And having separated the paint, I'm now using a very soft bristle brush to apply the paint, and this one is Tuscan teal, and I'm also doing the edge. And this is not my first time doing abstract painting. I've done quite a few even before I started my channel, and I believe I sold those. Somebody saw them and wanted it, and I'm, of course, why not? So I sold them. So here I am doing another one, and this one turned out to be so beautiful. So I did the teal, now I did the pink, and I did 2 coats, drying in between. And then I'm gonna do all the rest. Now I used blue, this is true blue, and it was too dark, so I took a baby wipe and I wiped that off, and it was still looking a little bit too blue. And this blue paint was so pigmented that even after I wiped it off and with just the sponge, it was still coming out a lot blue. So I had to just dry it and then change to another paint. So I went in with the Waverly chalk painting pool, and I went over at that, and then here I am just finishing up the rest of the canvas and left it overnight to dry because I wanted it to dry completely. Before I got back on camera, I started to apply the pastels, so I left a few, so I'll show you how I did that. And now I'm going in with the pink. This is the pink rose, and if you notice how thick this is, it's not really coming out as paint. I had to use the paintbrush to remove it. Now you can use your paintbrush to apply, or you can use a spatula, or you can use, this is my little Cricut tool that I got from Dollar Tree. Not really Cricut the brand, but you know what I mean. The tool is the same. So you can use either your paintbrush to apply that, or you can use another object. And it's thick because it has a sealant mixed in, which is great. You don't have to add Mod Podge after you apply this to your surface because it's already sealed. And here I'm now going to add the blue on top of the pool. You notice that the shade of the pool is much lighter than the true blue that was there before. So if you are a lover of glitter, if you like glam and glitter stuff, this product would be ideal for you. And this is as much glitter and glam that I would do on this. And make sure that you do the sides as well. And here it is, all complete. Now I had to leave this to dry properly before I started removing the tape. And this part is also a part that I love. I like removing tape. And look how clean the lines are. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. If you would like to see more abstract painting artwork DIYs, leave a painting palette emoji with your comment down below and let me know if you are interested in seeing more of this. I am loving the Glitterific Pastel colors on this canvas. After I was finished with the canvas, set it aside and thought that I was done. Then I remembered that I had this wall decal welcome sign from Temu. So here I am just applying it and peeling off the transfer tape. And that's it. I didn't add anything else to it. Let me know what you think about this, guys. I do love it. Now here we are at what would you make challenge for this month, and this playlist is hosted monthly by Connie from Connie's Woodwork and DIYs, Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY, and our guest host this month is Kathy Jo from Kathy Jo DIYs. These ladies are super talented. You can't miss this playlist. Make sure to hop on down to my description box. I will leave a link to their channels as well as the playlist, so you can check that out when you get done watching my video. And now we're on to our second DIY. Now this is a piece of scrap wood that I had in my stash, already painted. So I sanded it down just to smooth it down a little bit, dusted off the sawdust, and then I painted it with just one coat of this apple barrel acrylic white paint. And here I'm taking this napkin. I already used one panel in a previous DIY, and this has a little bunny rabbit on a scooter with 2 baskets of flowers, and I thought this would look so cute. Now I thought I had removed both plies from the napkin, but then I realized that it still had another ply on there. So I took my sponge and Mod Podge, and I'm applying the Mod Podge very lightly. Place the napkin on top of that and then just use my finger to smooth it out. If you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls and thrift flips. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. Then I took the parchment paper and the heat press and reactivate that Mod Podge to seal it. I did not remove the graphic from the napkin. I just decided to go all the way up to the top with the napkin rather than just cutting out the graphic. And then after that, I filed off the excess, and this is looking cute already. And of course, to seal the napkin, I went over that with some more Mod Podge, just gently brushing that on and then drying it with the heat gun. Now I wanted to add some more embellishment on here. This pack of rub-on transfers I got from Amazon. That is linked in my Amazon storefront under Crafting Essentials. I just selected 2 of them and put them on either side. And then to distress this a little bit, I took my ink pad and just went around the edges to distress that. And then for even further embellishment, I took a piece of jute cord, just wrap that around the top 2 times. Made a little bow, glue that at the top left, Now after I looked at it, I said it needed something else to let it stand as a shelf sitter. So I glued on a little tumbling tower block at the back, and this one is complete. We're here for the final reveal. Now here I am showing you what the paints or the Glitterific pastels look like. And here is our welcome canvas sign. And that is how the glitter look on the canvas. Now it's not like when you're adding glitter to, if you like glitter and you're adding glitter, you put your Mod Podge down and then you add your glitter. This one, the glitter is already built in for you with the different shades. So it's beautiful with the welcome sign, and this is what it looks like before I added the welcome sign. It's still beautiful. And this is our little bunny on a scooter scrap wood shelf sitter sign. I love this one too. So let me take a moment to say thank you to my returning subscribers for liking, sharing, and commenting. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. We're on our way to the 3,000 mark. Help me get there by April 30 in time for a giveaway. So if you love my content and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? If you would like to follow me on social media, you can scan that QR code and that will take you directly to my Linktree address, where you will find all the links to reach me at. So here is the canvas welcome sign with the Glitterific paint that I used. Don't forget, if you want to purchase this from the Plaid website, use my promo code in the description box below, which is Christine124 for 15% off your purchase. And remember to check out the host channels in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video and budget-friendly content like this one, I suggest this video right here or this playlist. And stay safe, my friends, until my next one. Bye.